Welcome to DLS Online, a personalized platform designed to make your work more convenient. Using DLS Online, you can easily track and approve all of your class hours from anywhere, anytime. Let's take a few minutes now to walk through each section of the platform together. This is your homepage, which provides a personalized view of your upcoming class events along with a checklist of your DLS student to-do items. Notice the search bar at the top of the page. It will always be there for you as a quick way to find whatever you're looking for, regardless of which DLS Online page you're visiting. Click the bell-shaped icon to view your notifications, and click the small triangle next to your name to view your account settings or log out of DLS Online. You can easily access your own information by clicking My Profile at the top of the page. From here, you can view and edit your contact information. To find information related to any of your projects, visit the My Projects page to view all of your class numbers, start dates, end dates, and the status of each project. To quickly find exactly what you need, sort your projects by status to view only information for active, upcoming, on hold, or ended projects. Click any DLS class number to view project details, including contact and budget information, schedules, and a time summary. Check out the DLS Online Library to easily view all of your DLS library book loans, orders, favorite books, and books you've rated or reviewed. You can also search for any book in the DLS library by either language or keyword. You can filter your search results in a variety of ways to find exactly the book you're looking for, as well as clearly see how many copies of each book are available or loaned out right now. Click on any book to view details, make it a favorite, read reviews, or even add your own comments and rating. In the Material Requests section at the bottom of the page, you can find information about each time you've either ordered or borrowed that particular book. The Schedules section of DLS Online provides you with everything you need to manage your time both at and away from DLS. Select My Schedules to view all of your class schedules in a single place. You can easily adjust your view to see your time organized by class schedules, individual class events, or as events in a calendar format. In either the Events or Calendar view, you can show or hide different event types, including language training, language testing, and even plan days off using the color-coded checkboxes on the left-hand side of the screen. Use the My Planned Days Off page in the Schedule section to easily view and manage all planned absences for both yourself and your instructor. Filter your list of planned days off to view planned days off for certain dates or projects. When you're ready to plan for upcoming time off, click the New button at the top of the page to record when time off is planned to begin and end, whether it is you or your instructor planning days off, and a short description of why this class time will be missed. For example, maybe you're planning a vacation or need to travel for work. Once you've saved the entry, watch the status column and note when the submitted status is updated to either approved or not approved by your language training supervisor or project manager. The timekeeping section of DLS Online completely replaces the paper timesheets you've used in the past. Now, just visit the time approval page each day to approve your hours. Use the drop-down menus at the top of the page to select the correct week range and DLS class number, and then review the number of hours entered along with the start time and end time. If you cancel the class with less than 1 business day's notice, the late cancellation checkbox will be checked by your instructor. When you have finished reviewing the information for that day, select Approve or Reject, and if rejected, please provide detailed notes. Once you have approved or rejected all entries, click the Save button. Check the Notes section at the bottom of the page to view a history of all submissions, edits, approvals, and rejections for each timesheet. Whenever you want or need to look back at your hours, visit the Timekeeping History page. From here, you can view and filter your hours by project or date to find exactly what you need quickly and easily. Visit the Help Center section of DLS Online if you ever experience an issue with or have a question about the platform. From here, visit the Submit a Case page to write and send a message directly to the DLS Online support team. Use the Upload File link if needed to attach a screenshot or other file related to your case. This can help your DLS Online support team member provide you with the best possible response. Click the Submit button to send your message, and a team member will contact you within 1 business day. Once you have submitted a case, check the My Cases page to view its status and even see exactly when the DLS Online support team opened the message. Use the List View pick list at the top of the page to sort your submitted cases by whether they are open or closed. An open case is one being reviewed and/or worked on by the DLS Online support team, and a closed case is one that has been successfully answered or resolved. Note that you can also find many answers to frequently asked questions about DLS Online along with helpful training resources on the Articles page of the Help Center section. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about what the DLS Online platform can do for you. If you would like to talk more about the DLS Online platform, please feel free to reach out to the DLS Online support team at support@dlsdc.com.